Good afternoon, Iconic Coach here, presenting this beautiful 2013 Tesla Model S, finished in brown metallic. This car is very well optioned, has the panel roof, third row seat, high fidelity sound, leather interior. It's got the tech package, excellent shape inside and out. Local car from here in San Diego. The beauty of this car is the previous owner has already replaced the battery on it at a cost of about $15,000. In addition to that, the screen has been replaced too, upgraded. That I believe was another $2,000 I believe. Carbon fiber spoiler as well. P85 performance package, third row seat, brand new Asante wheels and tires not too long ago. This brown metallic paint is also really rare. You won't see too many of them out there. Yeah, really clean car, low miles. I believe this has about 85,000 if I'm not mistaken. Lights, excellent shape, crystal clear. Thank you so much for watching. If you're looking for a really nice Model S, all the records and receipts for the battery, for the screen, for everything, nice color combination, wheels and tires are fairly new, not much to say besides good value in this car. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any questions, call us at 858-382-1319. Thank you.